Welcome everybody to Cooking with Poppy.
Today my granddaughters Guinevere and Arwen will be helping me make a delicious creamy potato corn chowder. Make sure you leave us a comment below to let us know what you think of this recipe. And please be sure to
like and subscribe.
So of course the star of this soup will be the sweet corn, some nice potatoes, some peppers, carrots and celery, a yellow onion, and a couple of cloves of garlic. Looks like I have a little bit of knife work ahead of me, so let's get started on chopping these vegetables, shall we? We will need 2 stalks of
celery.
Next, I'm going to chop up the
bell pepper.
Next is 1 small yellow onion. We will need 1/2 cup of carrots sliced nice and thin. Now I'm going to cube about 1 pound of russet potatoes. I'm going to chop these 2 cloves of garlic fairly fine. Here I have 3 strips of nice smoky bacon. I'm just going to slice it right down the middle and then cut it up into nice bite-sized chunks. What do we think of bacon, girls?
We love bacon.
That's because bacon makes everything taste better. Let's add this bacon with a couple of tablespoons of butter. Now we need to fry this bacon until it's nice and crispy. Once the bacon is crispy, we'll take about half of it out of the pan to garnish your soup with later. Now I'm going to add in all those chopped vegetables and cook them for about 5 minutes until they start getting soft. Going to give them a quick stir. I've been cooking these for 5 minutes. They're starting to soften up, so it's time to add a little bit of that
garlic.
2 cloves of minced garlic. And I'm going to cook that for about another 2 minutes. Once your vegetables start to soften up, we're going to add 3 tablespoons of flour. This is going to be used as our thickening agent for our soup. Make sure you stir this up really well and cook for 3 minutes. You really don't want a raw flour taste in your soup. After cooking 3 minutes, it's time for a generous seasoning of black pepper, a teaspoon of cumin, and a 1/2 teaspoon of thyme. Give it a quick stir. Then add 4 cups of
chicken stock. Stir it together.
Let's add your cubed
potato.
Now bring the pot up to a boil and boil for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, let's add 3 cups of sweet corn. Then we're going to lower the temperature to a simmer and cook for another 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, we're going to add 1 cup of whipping cream. And grate some fresh Parmesan right into your pot, about a 1/4 cup. And now we're just going to let this simmer for a couple of minutes until the cheese melts, and we're going to let all the flavors get to know each other. The cheese is all melted now. Flavors are all coming together. The whole kitchen smells absolutely amazing. I think it's lunchtime. As you can see, we have a beautiful bowl of soup here that just smells amazing. I'm going to garnish it with a little bit of bacon, a little bit of green onion, and have myself a nice bowl of potato corn chowder. Hope you join us again next week. And as always,
thanks for coming, everybody.